Hi friends, I'm Sonora Cordros. As we all know that our earth is going to a lot of pain and a lot of danger around itself. So I am going to help you portray how to save our mother earth from the coronavirus. Firstly, we need a plain sheet of paper, pencil, a sketch pen, a black color for the outline, any object that is circular in shape, and I'm mainly using a stencil and which has different circle sizes because we need few circle sizes to show the virus. And then we go with the crayons. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, first to begin is with, we take the round object. I'm taking a stencil here, and with the stencil I make the outline of the stencil in the middle of the sheet. Okay, we do the outline of the circle in the middle of the sheet, and then around the sheet we make different sizes of the circle. So I'm doing here like okay. So if you can see, okay, sorry. So now as we have done with all this circle parts, we start with the main big circle. Okay, so now we make a mask in the center of the circle. Okay, make a mask shape in the center of the circle. Just like that you make the mask, and after this, from here, from this point and this point, you make a line. Okay, so I'll show you how it. Okay, you make a line like this. Okay, and from this, above this, you make a U for the eyes, that we are showing the eyes. It goes like this. Okay, now inside the eye you make a circle. Okay, you make a circle like this. Okay, now we are showing that the earth is crying. So from here, from the end of this line, we make droplets. So that's like tears. So 2 droplets each eye you make. Okay, it looks something like this. Okay, now we know, now we need the eyebrows. Okay, of the earth, we need the eyebrows just above the eyes. So the eyebrows is going to look something like this. Okay, and now as we all know that our earth is divided into land and water, so we are going to make simple lines across the circle to show the land and the water. Okay, I will just show you. See, I'm making random lines. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so now, okay, now we have made the we've completed the inner circle. Now we go to the outer circles. Okay, so I'm going to show you one circle and you do the same for all the rest of the circles. So first we need to show the eyes. So now you make any type of eyes, like any shape, whatever you want. So I'm making something very suspicious. Okay, so I've made an eye. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, now I'm gonna make the teeth. So we make a triangle at the end of the line, and then just between these two mountains we make simply mountains like this. So this shows the teeth. Okay, now we show the outer part. This is the inner part of the circle. Now we show the outer part. Now we need to make alternate U in and out. So how do we do that? I'll show you. In. Okay, so you do something like this, alternate in, like in matlab the line will go inside the circle and one will be on the circle, so alternate in and out. We need to do it for the entire circle. Okay, it's going to look something like this. Okay, now we do the same thing for all the rest of the circles, and then we'll get back. Okay, so if you all want to know how I did the eyes, like if you all are not getting any shape in mind, I've just made a normal triangle and I've made the eyes. Okay, so don't forget to make a circle inside the any shape you make. So try avoiding making a circle, because you're already making a circle inside a circle. So try to make something different, make a different shape. Okay, and do that for all the other circles. So your entire drawing is going to look something like this. Okay, after you complete everything. So now we take the black sketch pen and we outline this, and after we outline this we start with the coloring. So first let's get started with the outline. Okay, so I'm done with the outline of my drawing. So now let's get started with the colors. For the first one we need a green and blue that shows the land and the water. So now in this middle part will be colored with blue, and this side parts will be colored green. The down part will be colored green and the side parts again will be colored blue. Okay, so I am done coloring the blue. So this is the part which you all will have to color blue. Okay, and now the remaining parts, which is 1, 2 and 3, will be colored green. Okay, so I'm taking a light green and I'm coloring all the remaining parts. So I'm done coloring with the green also. So after you color both, your circle will look something like this. Okay, now with the same green that you used to color inside the big circle, we color the outside the circles with the same green. Okay, we color it with the same green. So this, you have to color everything like this. Okay, like everything, all the circles. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. Okay, so now to give it more greater effect, we are going to take a dark green or a shade darker than this green and just shade it from the outside, only the side. Okay, so I'll show you how it is. Okay, so I have shaded it with a green and blue, a dark blue. So now we take a dark blue or a navy blue and color the tears. Okay, the droplets, that's the tears, with dark blue. And I have used the same dark blue or the navy blue for the shading of inside the light blue. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. Now for the mask, take any color that is white or light gray and color inside the mask and the strips of the mask. Okay, so you have to just color inside the mask with white or light gray, any of the one color. So after you're done with the mask, so you take the a dark green and just color outside, like just the outside of the virus. Okay, just like this. So now we are done. It looks something like this. Okay, now for the inner eye, we take black color and just color both the inner eye. Okay, it's going to look something like this. So now you take a gray color, you take the gray color and the eyes inside the virus, just color it with the gray. So your drawing is going to look something like this. Okay, so here we are done. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and don't forget to share your drawings on saintanthonysvacola@gmail.com. And stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.